How to send PageMaker form submissions data to Google Sheets automatically. So PageMaker is a landing page builder, and in this video I will show you how you can integrate PageMaker and Google Sheets in real time so that whenever the form submission data is received via PageMaker, the same form data will be added to Google Sheets automatically. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the landing page I have created using PageMaker, where I have also added this form, and in order to collect the form data in Google Sheets, I am going to integrate both the application with the help of an automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. And I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so here you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have pasted the name as integrate PageMaker and Google Sheets. Now I will click on create in front of you and you will notice two boxes. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customers. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, and according to our use case, whenever the new form submission data is arrived via PageMaker application, then automatically collect that data in Google Sheets application. Okay, so that is why I am going to select both the applications in this trigger and the action window. Okay, and after selecting these two, the idea here is I am going to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event as webhook configuration. Okay, and here you can notice it has provided me a webhook URL and few set of instruction. Okay, so with the help of this URL only, we are going to build a connection in PageMaker and Pabbly Connect, and the instructions for the same are already given here. Okay, so this is my landing page which I have created. Okay, but before you create any landing page, you will have to go to your home section. Yes, I can exit this landing page. Okay, and go to this integration section, then click on this add a new button, and here you will have to search for the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here exactly provide any random name. Okay, collect data in Google Sheet. I am providing this particular name, and in this webhook URL only I am going to copy the same webhook URL which we have received via Pabbly Connect, and let me paste the same, clicking on create, and this is how this integration will be added here. Now I am going to open my landing page once again. Okay, so this is my landing page. Let me first edit this page. Okay, now firstly I am going to click on this form submission field, and from the right hand side I am going to select the same integration which I have just created. Okay, so remember we have created this collected data in Google Sheets. We have created this specific integration. Okay, so I have selected the same. Okay, so what will happen, it is going to send the data over this webhook URL only, and this webhook URL is actually available at Pabbly Connect. Okay, so finally I am going to click on the save changes button, and firstly I am going to preview this form. Okay, let me preview the same, and if you will come back to Pabbly Connect, you will notice that it is actually waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so read the instructions also, that log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new form submission in this PageMaker. Okay, so this is the landing page, this is the form, and I am going to make a dummy form submission in front of you, and you will notice that how the same details will be collected by Pabbly Connect. Okay, automatically. Okay, so I have provided a random email address. Now I will provide the random first name, the random last name, and lastly the random phone number as well. Alright, so as soon as I am going to click on the submit button, you will notice that the details will be collected via Pabbly Connect instantly and immediately. Okay, fingers crossed and wait for the response. And here you can see the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. Here we have the phone number, the last name, the first name and the email address. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between PageMaker and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And now onwards, what will happen? Every time someone is going to submit this lead generation form, the details of that form data, the details of that user will be collected via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done, and now I am going to collect this data into the Google Sheets. Okay, so the application is already selected. Firstly, I will select the add a new row action event because I want to add a new row first, and in that new row I am going to add the form submission data. Okay, and just like firstly we have connected PageMaker and Pabbly Connect, and now I am going to connect Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you will have to provide the access of your Google Sheets account, but I have provided this access multiple times, so I will go with the existing connections only. Clicking on save, and this is how my Google Sheets account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. And here you can see it is connected, and since my Google Sheets account is connected, whatever the spreadsheets are available inside my Google Sheets account have started visible here. Okay, so currently I would like to send the data in this specific sheet. Okay, so I am going to select the same, that is form submission data from PageMaker landing page. Okay, I have selected the same, and as soon as I will select the sheet, you will notice that all the fields will be visible here. Okay, basically whatever the column names I have added here, these column names will be appear as a field here. You can notice even email, first name, last name, phone number. Okay, let me show you the same email, first name, last name and phone number. Okay, so this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. Now in the select sheet here you can notice I have a single sheet only which has got selected automatically, and I just need to provide the details one by one, and this is how the form submission data will be collected here. Now you must be thinking that from where I'm going to provide the data. Well, remember we have just captured the data into our previous step. Okay, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I'm going to map this data, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the same data, the above data here in the drop down. Okay, select that data, and this is how the data will be mapped, the information will be mapped. Okay, now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating in front of you. Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Yes, if I will provide any data manually here, this data will remain same. Okay, but if I will provide any data with the help of mapping, this data will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in next time. So that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that the response will be received first, and after that the data will be updated automatically into the Google Sheets. And here you can see the response is received. Let me go back to my Google Sheets, and here you can see the same data has been added automatically into my Google Sheets. Okay, let me first correct the formatting. Alright, it is looking good now. Okay, so here we have the same email address, the same first name, the same last name and the same phone number. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time someone is going to submit your lead generation form, the details will be collected, the leads will be collected automatically in real time into your Google Sheets. You do not have to do anything manually. Simply set this automation inside Pabbly Connect for once, and after that you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. Okay, click on this link, sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.